Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Gab from Tech Tips for Business. For today's video, we are going to talk about how to use the filter function in Microsoft Excel. This is going to be a fast video since this is one of the easier functions to learn in Microsoft Excel. So the function is used to filter out the needed data for each column. So if there are multiple data that has multiple descriptions which are the same, for example, for the location, kitchen, storage, or pantry. As for the types, there are food, technology, and tools. So to filter out data, just go to the Data tab, go to the Sort and Filter group, and press Filter. But before doing so, go ahead and select the headers. Click on Filter. Now arrows should show up beside the headers. Go ahead and click on one of them. So this window should show up. Go ahead and deselect all by unchecking the Select All box and just choose any categories you want. For example, we can use technology, and there we go. We got rid of the other data and just left technology within our selection. Don't be scared by thinking that you just deleted your data, but it is not deleted. As you can see on the left side of the screen, it is indicated that we are using the rows 8, 9, and 14. The other numbers are just hidden from you and not deleted. You can show the other data again by clicking on the arrow down button beside the header and selecting all of them. And there you go. Okay, let's go back to selecting one category again. Let's go for tools this time. There we go. Now, I would want to know which tools are hidden in the storage right now. We can now click on the arrow down button beside the location header and deselect all and press the storage. And there we go. We just managed to isolate two items which are both the same in type and location. And this is how we use the filter function in Microsoft Excel. If this video helped you in any way, please leave a like and comment on what I should do next. You can also subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell for updates on our future videos. Once again, this is Gab, signing out.